Motorola has just recently announced the brand new Moto E, a very affordable smartphone. Since it is an entry-level budget-friendly smartphone, don't expect extremely high-end specifications. Let me tell you a bit more about it. The Moto E is a budget-friendly smartphone that features a 6.56-inch HD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and its pixel density is 267 pixels per inch, making it a great choice for everyday use. It will be able to show you sufficiently smooth movements. It also includes a high brightness mode designed to significantly improve visibility in various bright conditions, and a night light mode to reduce eye strain in different dark environments and situations. This device also incorporates Dolby Atmos technology when you are using headphones, although the device only has one speaker, unlike the majority of Motorola devices that feature stereo sound. The Moto 14 has a matte finish, and its screen is protected by Gorilla Glass, like all current Motorola smartphones, which makes it highly durable and highly resistant to some scratches or drops in various situations. It also has an IP water resistance capability rating to withstand small spills and splashes, but interestingly, this water resistance rating is not mentioned on the Mexico page, although it is on the United Kingdom page, which is a bit confusing. However, I think splash resistance is something that almost all smartphones, such as this one and other similar devices, will have. The processor is the Unisoc T, which has 8 cores, confirming that it is an entry-level device and features RAM boost technology to try to offer you a better experience when opening multiple applications. The device also comes with a micro SD card slot of up to 1 terabyte, and this smartphone has a 5000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging, so it is quite straightforward and has what you would expect in all other aspects, including additional features. But in the photography section, this Moto 14 indeed comes equipped with a simple 13-megapixel main camera, and fortunately does not include any useless marketing cameras. On the front, it also has a very capable 5-megapixel camera, and as for the operating system, it uses Android 14 in a Go edition. The Moto E is priced at 1599 Mexican pesos. On the screen, you can see the reference price in other currencies just to get an idea, although remember that prices here are not the same as there. It is available in 3 colors: graphite gray, pastel green, and pastel purple.